Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we'll discuss about the ongoing COVID Omicron variant. Before we start our video, till now, if you did not subscribe my channel, please go ahead and subscribe and press the bell icon for my regular updates. Without any further delay, let's get started. First, we need to understand what is Omicron variant. Omicron is described as a variant of concern, which indicates to be extremely transmissible and potentially replace the dominant Delta variant. It shows less symptoms compared to the Delta variant. South Africa first discovered the new variant of Omicron, and that does not mean it originated there only. The variant was first identified by South African researchers. Lab workers running COVID 19 tests started finding the cases that did not match known virus profiles. So, they alerted the rheologist who studies the virus compositions by sequencing its genes. Sequencing is a tool which allows scientists to follow to have a different virus mutants. That means analyze genetic material by reading its components. South Africa is highly advanced in sequencing labs, a legacy of HIV tuberculosis epidemics which saw the country's significant testing capabilities and now directed towards the coronavirus research. Scientists are working hard trying to better understand how long protective from Omicron we are. They found out this variant while doing antigen tests. In general, for COVID test, lab technicians will conduct three antigen tests: antigen N, S, and E. In that group of antigen tests, they are unable to find S antigen. Then they thought something is going wrong and immediately sent these samples to genome sequencing. After sending it to genome sequencing, they found out so many new mutations. Each mutation is like a letter of an alphabet. The main purpose of sequencing Omicron is to determine transmissibility. Generally, they won't send the samples all the time to genome sequencing as it's very costly to test it every time. Omicron variant is causing panic across the world from the South Africa, United Kingdom, and 61 other countries, including India. Questions about vaccine efficiency on Omicron continue to be major talking point. World Health Organization comes out with the vast statement saying that vaccine may not be enough to contain an Omicron variant outbreak, and the evidence indicates Omicron causes a reduction in vaccine efficiency against infection and transmission. Given the current available data, it is likely that Omicron will outpace the Delta variant where community transmission occurs. It's not confirmed if the Omicron surge was due to immune response or a high transmissibility or a combination of both. Omicron variants show less severe symptoms compared to the Delta variant. World Health Organization noted that Omicron has spread to 63 countries as of 15th December 2021. The fastest transmission was observed in South Africa and was 70% of other infections are of the Omicron variant. Delta variant has caused the most number of COVID cases in the world. Omicron causes less severe symptoms than Delta variant. In United Kingdom, study predicts a deadly wave and 25,000 to 75,000 deaths expected by April 2022. If we come to India's statistics of Omicron cases, as of 15th December 2021, there are a total of 61 cases reported. Out of that, majority are from Maharashtra, Rajasthan, and Delhi, and followed by the remaining states. To overcome this Omicron variant, researchers are already developing vaccine, and that will be available by March 2022. So these are some of the details of Omicron variant and that's origin, how it got identified, and cases worldwide as well as in India. So thank you all. If you like my video, please do subscribe to my channel Iconic Adda.